The beginning of digital forms of money denoted a progressive period in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital forms of money offered a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The famous digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so on had their own advantage temporary fad to advance. Nonetheless, they're actually hit a test of openness, straightforwardness, and tremendous exchange expenses. Allow us to have a speedy look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of designers. They understood that the enormous capability of Bitcoin could be additionally tackled ideally through a hard fork, in this way expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH has started its life. Bitcoin money specialized examination, figuring out the nitty-gritties. A profound entrance into the statistical data points of Bitcoin money has an out-and-out various story to uncover, regardless of having enormous future outcomes. Additionally, potential and commitments of conveying 4 to 8 megabytes block size. The token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size opposite its rivals. A significant explanation, subsequently, is that the two financial backers and excavators side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The engineers required a ton of patching up to show greater readiness, rolling out revolutionary improvements to the undertaking's basics. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Be that as it may, the value history of Bitcoin money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unpredictable and firmly connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after creation, a solitary Bitcoin money had a worth of more than $4,000 and the cost expanded. It looks astounding that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw costs drop from that astonishing level today radically. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are mind-boggling instruments. In August 2017, mining and opponent coins made this Bitcoin Cash digital money skip to a gigantic level. Normal cost expanded with more than a $9 billion market cap. Many began seeing this as a contender as opposed to a posterity or a hard fork of Bitcoin. However, a resulting revision cut statements by practically 30%. In November, the following period of development started. Against the foundation of the arrival of true programming and posting on top trades, the coin began a cost recuperation, making towards a memorable high of $430 with a market cap being $70 billion. Solidifying patterns point towards the way that there is potential for Bitcoin money expectation and show it might go on an inspirational perspective. This incorporates both least cost and most extreme cost. As indicated by Guaj Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto goliaths as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH Value Forecast, it can generally depend on $515.84 as greatest cost in 1 year. What's to come plans holds more brilliant side for Bitcoin money estimate. It may not be an exaggeration to say it would surpass a most exorbitant cost of $2,863.71 in the following 5 years. This implies a triple yearly cost increment every year is a wise venture resource. A ton of Bitcoin money figure improvements will go in 5 years in the long haul. In any case, its future exhibition will in all probability be connected with Bitcoin's presentation. Consequently, an inside-and-out bullish expectation of $58.91 toward the finish of 2025. As per Bitcoin money cost figure, toward the finish of 2022, the most extreme cost of Bitcoin money forecast will be $374.55, with idealism posing a potential threat in the approaching following couple of years between $802.57 minus $937.95. The Bitcoin Cash cryptographic money market is profoundly unpredictable, and significant value changes can occur inside the space of minutes because of variables like guidelines, rivalry, the development of new tech, market feelings, and so on. There are a few expectations given by crypto dealers, devotees, or even crypto estimating sites on how Bitcoin money value conjecture would act from here on out. However, Bitcoin money needed to put forth an enormous attempt to fork out of its starting point and contend long and hard with its opponent digital currency. It isn't long that it would beat during the year 2022. The majority of the contenders of BCH, as well, didn't entrance the brokers by the same token. Be that as it may, the consistency which Bitcoin money cost estimate has attempted to show is in itself a novel element to discuss. Its contribution in different daring ventures has guaranteed that its cost keeps up the energy. Bitcoin money value forecast 2022. As per Bitcoin Cash Cost Expectation 2022, defeating the pandemic will assist with doing a ton for the market opinion of Bitcoin money. Ready for a rise. Bitcoin money cost, as well, will parallelly run with Bitcoin on a similar bullish pattern. However, this is a momentary expectation whether the Bitcoin money value conjecture will part from the pinnacle. What stays clear is that there's a good reason to have hope without a doubt. In the primary, around 50% of the Bitcoin Cash Cost Expectation 2022 is said to arrive at the base cost of $490 and $545 as most extreme cost in the final part. The BCH value swings will keep on showing a positive pattern and recapture $550 mark according to our Bitcoin money cost forecast from January 2022. Presently, Bitcoin Cash value equivalent to $372.08. The ongoing cost of Bitcoin money will transform into $640 in a year's time. However, it relies upon the general feeling for digital currencies over the course of the following months. The Bitcoin money cost figure is refreshed on regular routine. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. Going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been diverging from its way ordinarily every 2 or 3 years. In the principal half of 2023, the Bitcoin money cost forecast 2023 is said to arrive at the base cost of $590 and $630 as greatest cost in the final part. Sooner rather than later, probable. The finish of 2022 or the start of the year 2023 may not be ideal for heightened, particularly with rivals getting up to speed intensity or markets messing around. As per Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023, there is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight misfortune. However, at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recover its lost energy and crosses $640 mark. Bitcoin money value forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will lead the crypto market with an exhibition of cost fixed around $730 in the long-term end. In the principal half of 2024, the Bitcoin money value forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $680 and $720 as most extreme cost in the final part. Bitcoin money can possibly maintain and reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances according to our BCH cost forecast. There will be an exceptional change in the Bitcoin money cost conjecture when contrasted with the ongoing costs. Bitcoin money value expectation 2025. Assuming the BCH cost endures over the extreme long haul and mass reception gets number, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin money be actually worth 100x more than its until recently all-time high in light of our BCH cost expectation. In the primary portion of 2025, the Bitcoin money value forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $796 and $840 as most extreme cost in the last part. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost forecast, it would cost $850 in 2025 continuously and, nonetheless, this sort of hopeful assumption comes from two preconditions. 1. Bitcoin keeps on marvelous assumptions. 2. Markets stay as positive as usual. Bitcoin money value